Good morning, welcome back to another vlog. It is Tuesday today, and I just put up a video yesterday, but I thought I would vlog again because I really want to get back into it, get more of a routine down. August is gonna be, Teddy, look at him, stay in here, baby. August is gonna be an absolutely insane month, but I also feel like it's a month filled with fun, really fun things. So I'm gonna take you guys with me throughout the month. I cannot wait for my bachelorette weekend. I think it's going to be so much fun. I think it's going to be super girly, a lot of pink, a lot of drinking, a lot of food. So I'm going to bring you guys with me, obviously. And I can't wait for that. But that's in 3 weeks. So I still have 3 more weeks to prepare and like pack my bags, get everything ready. I'm going with 6 other girls. And yeah, it will be fun. I will be leaving Oakley for the first time, like overnight, so I will definitely be sad, but I also think it's good to get away for a little bit. I think it's definitely like healthy because I am stuck in these walls all the time. Anyways, I just got an order from Target and I wanted to show you guys my fridge because I got a lot of healthy things and my fridge is looking super colorful. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so this is what my fridge is looking like. I just got the Target delivery order maybe like 20 minutes ago. So I got peaches, I already had apples, I got more yogurt. I ran out of creamer, so that was my main reason why I ordered. I got this kombucha strawberry glow. I've never tried this. And sometimes I like kombucha and sometimes I absolutely hate it, so I guess it depends. I have to drink this slow though because I do have like stomach issues when I drink this, so I'll drink like half of it. I got celery juice. This is from the garden. Zucchini and cucumbers. My dad made a relish and it was so good, and he also made pickles and it was so good. We also have carrots. I have 2 of these Santa Fe style salads. I have queso style dip, except this is plant-based. I have a Mexican street corn salad. That looks so good. And then more of these polar things. So my fridge is super colorful. And I got a couple of things in the freezer, so I'll show you that. Okay, I've never tried this, but this is a deliciously dairy-free chocolate fudge crunch bar. That looked really good. 3-in-1 bar. Oh no, baby, this isn't for you, but you can smell it. Yeah, this is not for you, it's chocolate. So I got that. Also got ultimate plant-based chicken fillets, 23 grams of protein. This was actually highly rated. I usually do the Morningstar ones, but this was rated so high, so I was like, let's give it a go. I also got Hawaiian rolls and I got tortilla chips for the queso. I gotta take the trash out. I literally just cleaned the kitchen yesterday and it's already a mess. I mean, that's what I get because it's so small in here, so it's so easy to make a mess. Oakley's practicing trying to crawl. We got to recycle. There's a lot going on. It looks like it's going to rain. I think it's supposed to rain the next 2 days. We cleared this little section this morning because there was a ton of junk on top of it. That's usually where we keep the diapers. I'm also missing a nail. This is just my life. I have to organize all that because I basically want nothing to be on top of that. The wires I still haven't pinned back there, but I just want this place to look a lot better because the boys are getting ready over here for our wedding and the girls are getting ready at my parents' house. So this place I really want to be cleared out completely and just basically have, you know, alcohol for them, charcuterie boards, and then they're gonna get ready. So it needs to be a little bit more cleared in here, and we're gonna put all the baby stuff away just for like the day, obviously. I'm so interested to see how you're going to be at the wedding. I think he's going to be fine. He's actually super sociable. He loves going to other people. He smiles at everyone. He never cries going to like a new person. So I love that. I think it's because right off the bat I was like, here, you can hold him. Here, you can hold him. Because I really did not want him to be a baby that's just like super, super attached, because I know separation anxiety can be bad. So we didn't want that. As much as I want to hug you and love you all the time, you need to love other people too. So yeah, I don't know what I was saying, but I think I'm gonna make lunch. Oh, you see that? Why don't you try and reach it? He tried to grab that one earlier, and because he couldn't pull it in and eat it and take it off, he got mad. You wanted it, huh? You're up so high. It's okay, Ted. I didn't mean to startle you. It's okay. Look at Oakley looking at the B-A-L-L. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna eat lunch. Should I get out of my pajamas today? Yes. Am I going to? No. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oakley just woke up from a nap. I got him this. I actually picked out the lion, but they were out of stock, so the delivery person substituted it for the unicorn. You like it, honey? It's like a binky, teether, and a little lovey all in one. You don't really like binkies, though. No, I know. But he is definitely teething, so we got him that. Hang on. Yeah, you better hang on to it. There you go. You wrapping your foot around me? Cutie, uh-oh. Here you go. Hang on, all right? I put my robe on because I'm so cold. I put his fuzzy socks on. But I got a couple of things I just wanted to share with you briefly. So this is what I ended up getting him, the Dr. Brown's Lovey, which we already call one of his little toys a Lovey, but that one's an actual Lovey. You dropped it, honey. Oh, where is it? Where's Teddy? He knows Teddy now. Where's Teddy? You can't see him? He's obsessed with Teddy. Okay, let me show you what else I got. So I got these Munchkin Stay Fresh. These are deodorizers. I got these for the trash. His diapers don't like smell like actual like poop or anything yet because he doesn't eat food, but it still like definitely has a scent. So I'm gonna put one of these in there. I got makeup wipes. I got a bridal shower card for my friend Lindsay because it's her, oh my god, my nose is running. It's her bridal shower on Sunday. So I got her a card. This we already had. Yeah. I got the ScarAway silicone scar gel because my neck and chest is getting a lot better, but I ran out of my scar cream and it was like $60, so I decided to just get this because it was rated pretty highly. So I got that from Target. I got 3 sets of nails. Is it called sets? I don't know. 3 nails. I don't know which one I'm going to do for the bridal shop, the bachelorette. I'm mixing it up now. I don't know which one to do for bachelorette, but I think they're so fun. These are super colorful and sparkly. Love those, but I don't think it would go with every outfit, so I don't think I'm going to do this for bachelorette weekend. These I think I might do. So they're just light pink and sparkly. Really pretty. And then these I also really like. So it's kind of like a mauve to a light gray white. And then the sparkly ones are really pretty too. As you can see, I have nothing on my nails. So I got those. I ordered them from Kiss. These I have for the bachelorette weekend too. So they're little name tags. I got these off of Etsy. These are so fun. You just watching me? You need help? Here. There you go. Yeah, that's Teddy. No, thank you, Teddy. Can you stay right there? Thank you. So I got these from Etsy, and they're little name tags for the girls. So funny. I don't know, I love these. So I thought these would be fun, so I'm going to bring those with me for bachelorette. And then I just got a package today from Bliss, and this is the acne, like an acne line from them. So first of all, it comes with a little notepad and pencil, super cute. Then we have the clarifying toner serum, acne spot treatment, and this I'm so interested in. This is the Clear Genius Body Acne Spray. I love when things are in a spray. So I don't have too much acne on my body, but sometimes I occasionally do break out on my like upper back and shoulders. So I'm gonna be giving this a go. So I thought that was really nice from Bliss, and you can find this at Target. So that is what I got, a little haul. I'm gonna put these things away. I've been cleaning. I have 2 picture frames that I got from Amazon. I am putting the ladies and the gentlemen signs in the bathroom with baskets. Yeah, you're very cute. Look at these. Look at these fuzzy socks. Look at these fuzzy socks. And he no longer fits in like any of his outfits because he fits in 9 to, is it 6 to 9 or 9 to 12? 6 to 9 he fits in. And mainly all of his outfits are 3 to 6, which this one's 3 to 6, but if I buttoned it, See how it like pulls? So we're gonna have to get you some more clothes, honey. Yeah. Here, hang on tight. Hang on tight to your lovey. Yeah. Cutie. Okay, so this is me in a robe. I actually have an outfit on under this, a dress and a blazer. But I'm so cold that I just put this on. I'm probably gonna change him into this sweatshirt outfit. Yeah, because that would be a little bit more cozy. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna put the dishes away because I just cleaned them. Good morning. It is Sunday morning, and I am headed to one of my best friend's bridal showers today. So we are getting married a month apart, so it's crazy because she's in my wedding and I'm in hers. So it's chaotic. The next 2 months are gonna be so chaotic with both of our weddings and both of our like planning and styles and parties and events and bachelorettes, but it's gonna be so much fun, and I'm headed there now. I know it's gonna be beautiful. Linz and I have very similar styles. We both love the boho and the pink and the pompous, all of that. So I think her bridal shower is probably gonna look exactly like my wedding, to be honest, but that's okay because I know it's gonna be beautiful. So I'm gonna head there now. I'm gonna try and vlog bits and clips. And yeah, it feels good to get out of the house a little bit today. So that's what I'm doing. I put fake nails on last night. They're just from Kiss. I showed you guys earlier. I really filed them down though. But yeah, that is what I'm doing. And got her card here. I feel like I'm forgetting things, but I don't think I am. I think I just have to help set up. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys once I'm there. I also wanted to mention that both my rings, well, the one that looks like a wedding band isn't real, but my engagement ring obviously is, but both my rings are actually super loose. So I'm not sure what to do. So when Scott gets my wedding band, I think I'm just gonna have him get a smaller size, and then I'll have to wear it like on top of my engagement ring so it doesn't fall off, because these are super loose right now. I'm just trying to wear this one. I feel like it's not focusing. I'm trying to wear that one just so it holds the engagement ring in place. But yeah, this is how it looks if it would focus, which it's not going to, but I love the way it looks together. It's just super loose and I feel like it's gonna fall off my hand. Okay, we're at Lindsay's bridal shower. It's literally stunning in here. Say hi. This is Lindsay's maid of honor, Sabrina. Hi. Look at how beautiful it is. It's all boho and literally perfect. With the goblet. What did the groom say? I'll show you guys the cake. Are you kidding? This is so stunning. And these, I don't even know what these are, but they look delicious. And the cannolis, so cute. These are little soaps, little favors. Who has the groom game? Lindsay and Corey. Lindsay's bridal shower day. So pretty. You're gonna die. It looks so beautiful in there. I'm back home from Lindsay's bridal shower. How cute are these little favors? They're little bars of soap with the oats in it. So sweet. And it smells good too. I'm gonna put this in my shower. Love that. Yeah, it's so cute, Ted. Okay, Scott just left. He actually has not gotten a suit yet. Let me flip you guys around. So I'm home now, and naturally, I'm in this really pretty dress, but I need to change into sweatpants immediately because that's just how I feel when I get home. I need to be cozy and comfortable and in sweatpants, and this may be TMI, but I do have my period, and after you give birth, it doesn't matter if it's vaginally or C-section. I mean, at least for me, I feel like I cannot even leave the house. That's how bad my periods are, to be honest, and I have the worst headache ever. So that's just a little bit of information that's probably too much, but it's the truth. So I'm changing into sweatpants. I'm getting cozy. I'm gonna clean because Scott just left. He's gonna go get, or he's gonna attempt to go get a suit. We're like 27 days away and he hasn't gotten a suit, which is fine because I know suits don't take that long to get. But it is more difficult because we're looking for like a tan suit. I would really like tan linen. That's just the style, what I'm going for. But they are sold out at a lot of places, and online, absolutely not. They're all like sold out. So we're having a little bit of a difficult time. I'm gonna clean while he's gone. He's also going to the driving range, and then he's gonna go get stuff for chili. We're gonna have chili over the next few days, because chili's great. But I'm gonna clean in the meantime. I'll show you guys some veggies that we got from the garden. We have eggplant. We have zucchini. Yeah, zucchini, Ted. Look how big this zucchini is. Are you kidding? Whoa, this is zucchini, baby. You don't want this. You see Teddy? Say hi, Teddy. Hi, Teddy. Wow, this is a big zucchini. This is a cucumber. We got jalapenos. I won't touch the peppers right now. And cherry tomatoes are my actual favorite thing. Not grape tomatoes, but cherry tomatoes are so good. So my dad just got this from the garden for us. We've been cooking with zucchini almost every night. But tonight is gonna be chili. Okay, I gotta clean up because that's a mess. That's a mess. Here we are again. Every day looks the same. By the afternoon, it looks good. Next morning, boom, mess. Ted, 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 Teddy, Teddy, Teddy. Okay. That's enough, don't you think? Okay, Teddy, I can't listen to it. I really can't. That's not yours and you know it. You know that's not yours. That's your daddy's. Okay, hello, you guys. It is, I don't even know the day. Teddy, can you bring me any other toy and I'll play with you? Besides your daddy's good sock? I don't know what day it is today. I don't even know what this vlog consists of. But I'm trying to close it out here. I have no idea what I even vlogged. I think I just vlogged a little bit here and there throughout the last week. I thought I was gonna have this video up last week and that did not happen. So yeah, what day is it, Oakley? It's Thursday. It's Thursday. I've got Oakley in my lap right now. I actually took a shower today. Didn't straighten my hair, but blow dried my hair, and half of it is like this. You know what? We're just not having good hair days. And I've got to keep my hair kind of up because my hair, like postpartum, my hair just falls out like crazy. And it's always in his hands and I'm always like grabbing hair off of him. So I'm trying to keep my hair like up around him. Teddy bear, that is your daddy's. No, thank you. But yeah, today's Thursday and so far we didn't do much. It is so humid out. Do you want to sit up and say hi? It's so humid out that we're just staying in the AC because like it's like a wall of heat. Say hi. Say my head's getting a little bit better. I've been plastering the tubby tot on his head at night, so it looks actually a lot better. Right? Did you just burp? Oh, okay. Oh, all right. You okay? Okay. We kind of caught it. We kind of caught it. Literally all of my shirts and sweatshirts and whatever I'm wearing, the shoulder. No. Oh my goodness. Okay. You all right? Have no fear. Have no fear. Now you have the hiccups? Mm-hmm. Yeah, now you have the hiccups? All right. I folded some laundry today. That's what I did. I cleaned the kitchen again. What, you want to stand? I think I really am going to get Oakley one of those either Jolly Jumpers or just like a little thing. Oakley, that is so gross. A little thing that he can just like sit in and twist in and play with things, just because I feel like he needs more things to do. Mister. Okay, let's clean up your legs. I feel like he needs more fun things to do other than just hanging out on the ground, right? Because you want to explore. Oh, you're a big boy. Don't touch that. Nope. Nope. Whoa, okay. This is my life. This is my life. All right, I'm going to end my vlog now because this is what's going on. My next vlog should be a lot more exciting. It's going to be bachelorette prep. So I will show you guys what I am packing. Yeah, it's going to be fun. And then the vlog after that will be my bachelorette weekend. I'm going to miss you, but Mommy needs to hang out with some girls and drink some wine. Is that okay? It's going to have to be okay. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.